First circle. Plie. Pour du bois. Up and turn. Pour du bois front. Stay 2 counts. Let go. And plie. Up. Plie. And up. Slowly up. Arm down. Pull the ball back. Up slowly. And turn face to the bar. First position plie. Straight up. Left side. And plie. Tongue to pull the ball. Up and turn. Pull the ball front. Hold stay. And plie. Stretch your back. One more. Up. Arm down. Pull the ball back. Turn face to the bar. Slowly plie on 7. And then up. Right side foot tongue to. And plie. Hide circle from left side. Tongue to back. Shoulder circle, relax. Again. 2 tongue to the side. Feel the floor. And plie. Leg in the air. Circle, relax the hip. Don't relax your tailbone, okay? Other side same, front. Again, plie. Hide circle from right side to the back, to the left. 2 tongue to back. And plie. Shoulder reverse circle. And tongue to the side. Plie. And leg in the air. Circle your leg. Relax. And plie. Tongue to back. Slide down all the way. Hold stay. Up. Plie. Left side. Slide down. And up. Plie. Really way up. Get ready. One arm up. Another arm up. Hold stay. And open arm, plie. Straight up, stay. Feel everything in the place.